connection, breath, anxiety, and the underwater environment. Imagine yourself now, floating in a vast ocean of tranquility. Feel the lightness of your body, the absence of weight. The underwater environment, with its quiet and unique rhythm, offers us a powerful metaphor for our minds. Just as the water's pressure envelopes us, anxiety can tighten its grip, suffocating us, making us feel trapped. But in this space of serenity, your breath emerges as your anchor, your most essential tool. It is the key to finding calm, even in the most challenging depths of your mind. When we consciously slow our breath, we send a clear signal to our nervous system. It is safe to relax. It is safe to let go. This intrinsic connection between breath and our mental state is a power that resides within each of us, waiting to be awakened. Allow yourself to feel this connection now, as the water gently cradles you. Inhale in calm, how ocean sounds guide your breath. The sounds of the ocean, with their constant and enveloping rhythm, are a natural invitation to calm. Let the gentle murmur of the waves, the bubbling of the water, and the distant echo of a delicate bell fill your space. These sounds are not just relaxing, they are subtle guides for your breath. Allow your body and mind to synchronize with this natural symphony. Inhale deeply, feeling the fresh, revitalizing air, like water renewing itself. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension, like the tide receding, carrying away what no longer serves you. With each sound, with each breath, you delve deeper and deeper into a state of peace. Let the ocean's rhythm become the rhythm of your own inner calm, a constant reminder of your ability to find serenity. Guided breathing techniques, diving into serenity. Now, let's dive into a guided breathing technique, inspired by the deep stillness of the ocean. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Feel as if you are effortlessly floating. Place one hand on your abdomen and the other on your chest. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your abdomen first, gently expanding it, like the water expanding around you. Count mentally to 4 as you inhale. Hold your breath for a brief moment, counting to 2. And then, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the air, all the tension, like bubbles gently rising to the surface. Count mentally to 6 as you exhale. Let's repeat this cycle together, focusing on the sensation of calm spreading throughout your body with each breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue at this rhythm, allowing the sound of the bell to mark the pace of your journey to serenity. The mindset of the ocean floor, acceptance and presence. On the ocean floor, resistance is futile. You must accept the flow, the pressure, the environment. Similarly, when anxiety arises, we can learn to accept it without struggle. Observe your thoughts and sensations like fish passing by, without clinging to them, without judgment. They come and go, just like ocean currents. Your breath is your anchor to the present, to the stillness that exists even amidst constant movement. This mindset of acceptance is not passivity, but an act of power. It is a fundamental step to disarm anxiety, allowing it to dissipate naturally, and cultivating an inner peace that is unshakable, like the depth of the ocean. Practical exercises, integrating ocean calm into your day. You don't need to be on the ocean floor to find this calm. We can bring this experience into your daily life, transforming ordinary moments into opportunities for serenity. Whenever anxiety strikes, or you feel overwhelmed, close your eyes for a moment. Inhale deeply, imagining yourself submerged, hearing the gentle bell and the murmur of the water. Use this visualization and conscious breathing to create an inner refuge, a sanctuary of peace that you can access at any time. Practice for just a few minutes, whether at work, commuting, or before sleep, and you will feel the difference. Remember, consistency is key to transforming these small moments of practice into a lasting and accessible state of calm. Building resilience, your journey to a peaceful mind. Every conscious breath, every moment of acceptance, is a firm step in building your resilience. Just as the ocean is vast and deep, so is your capacity to find and maintain calm. It's not about eliminating anxiety completely, as it is a natural human emotion. True power lies in learning to navigate it with serenity, to understand it, and to use it as a signal to return to your breath, to your center. Keep practicing, keep breathing. Your mind is an ocean, and you have the power to make it calm, clear, and profound. This is your journey to a peaceful mind, an invitation to live with more peace and presence. Subscribe for more practical techniques and take good care of your mind. If you enjoyed this practice and felt the calm of the ocean, please like, share with someone who needs a moment of peace, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. What was your favorite moment of this underwater journey? Tell us in the comments.